Do you like watching videos and listening to music on YouTube? I'm sure we all do. However, did you know that you can actually listen to music on YouTube and be paid every hour or even minute? That sounds fantastic, doesn't it? Not only that, but the amount of money you can make is amazing. For example, if you listen to one piece of music, you can earn up to $10. If you listen to 5 pieces of music, you can earn up to $50. And all of it can be yours by just playing your favorite songs or videos. You can earn more than $100 for something that takes as little as 5 to 10 minutes and can be done repeatedly with your smartphone or computer, and you can repeat the procedure as much as you want. But before we go any further, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, feel free to leave a comment below. Now I'll show you the very first website and app that you'll want to use, Current. Keep on watching as I'll teach you how to play a song, which music to play, and how to get paid using this website. So make sure to stay with me till the end because somewhere in this video is some bonus ideas that will help you maximize your earning potential. Let's go back to the website. Through this, you're now able to earn money while running, working, or whatever it is you're doing and still listen to music as a background. And with just that, you've just made money. They also have an app that is now available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. If you have an Android phone, let me show you this app's logo. Make sure you download the right one so you can start earning money. You can now listen to music online or even when you're not connected to the internet, which is really useful since you don't have to pay anything to start using this program. This app is entirely free and allows you to earn points by listening to your favorite music, which you can then exchange for cash. After you've downloaded the app from the Google Play Store or App Store, go to the YouTube Music radio station. When you log into your account, you'll see something similar to this. So keep your attention fixed and don't miss out on anything because this is just one of the many methods to generate money while playing music. This can help you pay your bills, and I'll show you how to triple your earnings. As you can see, if you scroll down, there are a lot of music playlists and artists to choose from, as well as a lot of suggested music. When you combine YouTube Music with the Current website, you can generate profit on complete autopilot, and I'll show you how to do it in an instant. This is an example of my playlist. If you notice here, there are a lot of songs queued up, and I could add more to these at any time. Once the song is over, for example this one here, you can automatically head to the next song and so on. And they will automatically play all the music right here, and you'll get paid for every single song. Before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video thus far. And if you found this video valuable and interesting, please leave a comment below. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Take a look at this playlist. If I move my mouse over this icon in the bottom right of the screen, I'll be able to activate the rewind button, which means that after this playlist is finished playing from the first song to the last, they'll automatically go to the next song and you can earn money again. I'll tell you a secret. First, make sure you queue up as much music as you can. Second, if you go to the homepage and look at the hot list, you'll be taken to a page with more high quality recommended videos as well as new music videos to watch again and again. I strongly recommend you to choose one of these videos because they will pay you more money than the current one. However, keep in mind that YouTube will not pay you anything. Instead, this website will pay you money to link your YouTube Music with this app so that you can play music or video on YouTube and get paid. As you can see, I have 3 music players running, number 1, number 2, and number 3. I'll give you another bonus tip. In this method, you can earn more money by opening multiple tabs. As you can see, I currently have 3 music players playing. You can get money from opening numerous tabs and listening to music. But how can you turn this into cash? To begin, go to YouTube and search for music that is at least 1 hour long. Keep in mind that the longer the music is, the more music you can play, and the more money you will make. I'd now like to offer you another option. Select the settings when you're ready. Through this button here, you'll be able to increase the speed by a factor or 2 because the speed will be normal by default. But if you double the speed and right-click on here, you'll notice that the playback speed is at 2, which means you can play the song twice faster than the normal. The idea is the more music you listen to, the more money you will make. Here's another secret. If you have a slow connection or are sharing the internet or Wi-Fi with many other people, you may lower the quality to 144p in order to save data. This way you can listen to music on numerous tabs without consuming much data. Now I'll be showing you a Chrome extension that you will surely love. It's YouTube Playback Speed Control, which you can see here. It's available on Google Chrome, your PC, or your smartphone, and it is completely free. When you download this in Google Chrome browser, you can play it on your phone at 3 times the speed because, as you can see, the maximum speed on YouTube is up to 2 times the normal, 1.25 by 5.75 up to 2 times the maximum speed. But when you use this Google Chrome extension, you can play at 3 times the normal speed or triple the speed. Once you've installed the extension, you'll be able to make a lot more money since you will be listening to music on both YouTube and YouTube Music platforms faster. Now that we're on the verge of wrapping up the video, I'd like to offer you some additional advice. Once again, if you're an Android user, all you have to do is go to Google Play Store and download this one right here. Or go to Apple App Store and get the Current Rewards offline music app if you're using an iPhone, and that's it. What do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as a primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you enjoy similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you won't miss on any of our videos. That's it for today's video. See you in the next video.